Good morning, everybody. Schönen guten Morgen. Buongiorno a tutti. Again, to welcome our 7 very selected Austrian companies with their representatives. I thank everybody for the participation, and I'm very glad to hand now the microphone over and give the floor to Ferrovienord, to the Direttore Generale.
Thank you very much for the invitation. I think this is an amazing opportunity to share our view regarding the development of our company. Innovation is one of the most important pillars of our business plan for the next 10 years. So I give the floor to Mr. Testa that to share a little presentation of our company.
We are the company in the group focused on the infrastructure management. We make investment for an average of 50 million per year, and our business plan forecasts that in the next 10 years we will invest more or less 1 billion, both in train, both in infrastructure development. We have a project talking about innovation to make our Iseo branch the first network with hydrogen power trains. We have now a central supervision post, but in our business plan we will improve this supervision post. We are also thinking about investment on infrastructure diagnostics to improve the safety and the security on our network. We are investing 1.3 million in procurement of new trains, and as you can see, the innovation is one of our 4 pillars for our business plan, and maybe the most important, because innovation means also safety, security, and a good practice for our infrastructure management.
Now it's time for the elevator pitch of our 7 Austrian companies.
Frauscher Sensor Technic, Mundner Fertigteile, Joanneum Research, Kruch Railway Innovations, Kubak, Peng Kabel, Wieland Austria.
All the best, fruitful talks, and I'm looking forward to seeing and hearing you soon here in Milano. Ci vediamo a Milano. Grazie mille, arrivederci a tutti e buon lavoro.